Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel How to Log In, where today I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Standard Chartered Bank account. Welcome to a new video. Now, to log into your Standard Chartered Bank account, just open up any web browser on your laptop and go into the search bar and just type for Standard Chartered Bank and hit enter. Now after doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the first result that shows up. And after doing so, now it will take you to the official website of Standard Chartered. Here you can see there's a login button on the top right corner of your screen. If you hover your mouse on the login button, other options will appear on your screen. Now you can choose any of these options depending upon the account you want to log in. Here I choose straight to bank. If you choose this option will take you straight into the official bank. Click on Straight to Bank, and after doing so, it will take you to a new interface where you need to input your user ID and your group ID as well in order to continue into your bank account. Now, enter your correct user ID or email and then enter your group ID. And here you can see there's Me button as well. If you're using a private computer, you can take this button for easier access next time. But if you are on a public computer, I will recommend you not to take this button. Now, after entering your IDs, click on Continue. And after doing so, now you'll be taken into your Standard Chartered Bank account. So guys, that's how you log in into your Standard Chartered Bank account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.